City. Our flight leaves tonight, so we are going to go to this bakery called Magnolia Bakery that we've always wanted to stop at, and then we're going to rent bikes and bike around Central Park and see where else the day takes us. There it is, Magnolia Bakery. Well, we just had an awesome breakfast at the Magnolia Bakery. Their banana pudding is absolutely the best. The cheesecake and strawberry cream ice box bar was also very good. And now we are waiting to get into the Lego store, which opens in about 3 minutes at 10 a.m. They have a full Lego store here, and we're gonna check it out. Bikes are rented and we're getting ready to go on our ride around Central Park. You can see Lillian's getting in her bike seat there. There's all those horses and carriages behind us. And in a minute we will be off. We're taking a break on the bike trail and Lillian is eating a bomb pop. Everyone else is still going on this beautiful, beautiful bike trail. And there's the Met. Alright, we made it all the way around and we're back to the carousel. Lillian is really excited about going on the carousel, which is behind us. So we are going to do that.
Got it.
Let's try again.
Gotcha.
Ready to help with the red? You ready, Mom?
You going? I'm ready.
Let me move this out of the way.
Over here, Joey. This way. Now.
Okay, you know, remember what to do, right? Push the red to the green button. Good. Stop. Push it in. Ah! Sounds like it's making toots.
I broke her balloon. We got one at the Civic Festival.
Oh, yeah?
And I also said I put it.
Mommy, don't break this one.
I won't break it.
Yeah, normally they feel
it.
fine and stable, but this one popped. Was she really sad?
No, but I will. It's a donation.
Just a donation.
Ice cream and cookies have been lost because you're extra. Daddy, you know that. Make you a special one, okay?
I pressed it and it
What did it do? When you push the button, it does that?
Magic wand. That's that.
Hey, look at the Spider-Man,
But you
Daddy.
can't turn mommy into a frog, okay?
Hey, the Spider-Man is so cute.
That's a cool Spider-Man, Lillian.
Alright. And now I'm going to show you the worst magic trick you will ever see in your entire life.
The grapes?
It is bad beyond. No, this one I don't need that. Now watch this. You
I've
ready?
not actually been pushing it much, but we've been
One,
pushing it. What happened?
2, 3. Look at that. Worst trick ever. If you have an uncle that pulls a quarter out of your ear all the time, it won't be as bad as that. Actually, I had an uncle like that. He never gave me the quarter.
Yeah. Smart uncle.
I told him, Uncle Nino, you keep pulling out of my head. Is it in my quarter?
Right.
No, you find the quarter, you keep it up. Cheapest man ever. All right, now Disney bought Marvel, so the spider symbol is trademarked, and I don't want to get in trouble with Disney because they have vicious lawyers. So I'm not going to make it. I'm just going to make a circle and an oval, because anybody could do that, right? And then I'm going to make squiggly lines in no particular pattern at all. We'll put some over there too, and look at that.
It's just like Spider-Man.
But not intentional.
But not. Right, but not the Disney one.
All right, now we need one more blowing up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. This one we're gonna blow up almost all the way, so push the button. Got it? Keep going, keep going, keep going. One more, okay. That's good.
Whoa!
Wow, that's really low.
That was very up there. That almost went way up there.
Yeah, I think it's almost as tall as you. Now, before I finish, can I ask you a personal question? Okay. Do you have any boogers in your nose? Because we can clean out the boogers. Are you sure? How about you, brother? You got boogers? So you notice how he turned his head when the question came
I've
out.
always got boogers up there.
There you go.
Could use a little cleanup.
All right, Dad, I'm putting this in just like this. So if you want to take it off, pull it right out, okay?
What's
No,
that?
that way.
I'm gonna put on his.
And then he's going to swing through the air. He says the bad guy got it.
You got it?
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So have a good day.
Me too.
Oh, that is
Bye.
so cool.
Alright. That's
Let's see him swing.
Yeah.
Let's not, if he touches the ground, though, he might pop. So keep him up here.
Hey Lillian.
It's a green goblin.
The Green Goblin! The Green Goblin!
You are too cute.
The Green Goblin!
Hello again. We had a great time biking Central Park this morning. Got our stuff out of the hotel, and now we are about to enter the High Line and see what that's all about and find some lunch somewhere. We're very hungry. awesome place to have a drink and some food and just hang out on the water. We definitely will be coming back here again one day, and we're glad that we stopped. And we're back up on the High Line. See how much we can do of it before we have to go. Here's a spot where you can find a seat and watch the traffic and just admire the view. Here we are at the end of the trail. We made it all the way around the High Line. We only skipped a couple blocks because we went down and then came back up again. Didn't really take that long, probably under an hour. Nice walk. Really fun walk, lots of cool things to see along the way. Some art. There was some food, drink, stuff like that along the way, and we captured some of that in our video. But definitely a very pleasant walk. So check it out next time you are in New York if the weather is good. We are in the car to the airport, and we had a great trip. And can't wait to get back here to New York City. We'll see you in December, New York City. Did you have fun, Lillian?
Yeah.
Yeah? You coming back with us? Yeah, you think so? Alright, well until next time.
You need help?
We're heading from New York City, and we're on an airplane going home, and we're going to play at home, then go to sleep. In the morning, we're going to Miss Moore's, come back to New York City, and then play at New York City.
When do you want to go back to New York City? You want to go at Christmas time for your birthday?
I mean after Miss Moore's house, we can come back here.